I do want to say, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you could join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I got asked to chart Ethereum and ADA. I already charted this a couple of weeks ago. I basically told you guys that these were my targets, right? That's why you guys can see a perfect rejection at 3,400, right? Because you have that last level there. So, is this on the? Did I do this on the monthly or on the 2-week? Monthly, 2-week. I did this on, it looks like I added this on the 2-week. No, on the weekly. Yeah, I tried this on the weekly. So, again, perfect rejection off of that 3,400, right? You wicked off 34,112, came right back down. You're stuck in this level. So I do think as of right now, you're either going to go sideways like this and push down or sideways and push up, right? Really, I mean, there's no easy way to put this, right? It's just, where's my brush? There we go. So you're going to go down like this, go up, down, whatever. And then eventually you're going to go like that, or you're going to go like that. You're going to break up to the upside, right? It's really simple. You know what I mean? I mean, it just depends on where you close a weekly bull candle, right? So, to make this easier for you guys, right? You can either create a bear candle that's going to close like this, right? So God, I hate adjusting these things. Get rid of the extend right. Then change this to light blue, change this to light blue, and then go all the way like this. There you go. So you're either going to close a candle, right? Sure, let's do that. You're either going to close a bear candle under this level, right? And this is going to push you back down to, back down to like around this level, right? Somewhere around there. Actually, I don't like that. That feels weird. Right, so you're going to close something under this. You're going to close a bear candle under this 3,072 level, right? And more than likely, it's going to take you down to this level, right? And by that, I mean this order block here, this previous resistance high right there. And it's also a weekly order block. So this order block right here at 27.29, right? But if you close a bullish candle the other way, right, above that 32.32 on the weekly, right? So if you close up here, right, above this level like that, now I gotta change these colors. Right, if you close like this, a weekly candle above this level, right, of 32.31, then you're going to 34.14, right? Same thing on this side, right? If you close a candle, right, the week after above this level like that, right? Oh, did I not create it? What happened? Sorry. If you close a candle like this, right, above 34.11, which is this next resistance level right here, right, that green line, then your next logical level is going to be all the way up to 39.31, right? So this is very easy, right? Either you close a bear candle under wherever you close at over, right? On a bull or bear candle, that's where you're headed to, right? So you close under here. If you close a bear candle down here, right, under this 30.72 on a weekly, you're going down to roughly 27.20. And then you might come down here, bounce a little bit, and then push back up, or, you die from here, right? But as of right now, I'm still bullish, right? Still bullish to the upside. I do think that from here, you're probably going to end up pushing up to 34.17. That's what I'm thinking as of right now. You do have Bitcoin hitting a mid-channel, right? And it was breaking yesterday, which was the crazy part, right? In my opinion, I would think that we're actually pushing to the upside. Because look, you actually have a... Not a full engulfing, but confirmation for me is when you have an open, right? So this is the open on this bear candle of 94.98. You actually closed above this at 91.070, right? So as of right now, I am looking for a push to 99K on Bitcoin, right? Specifically because you actually closed above the previous bear candle open. So I am looking for this to happen, right? That's what I'm looking for right now. On the 4-hour, right, this actually looks very bearish. Right? So my guess is now I want to make sure that it doesn't break a trend because I'm pretty sure that it's moving off a trend here. So can I do this? No, that's not what I want to make. I want to make a Parallel channel, let's do this. And let's make sure we hit all of our wicks right there. I would say this is, that's, oh, no, I actually gotta hit it. I gotta put this right here. What about this? What channel makes sense for me? Does this channel make sense, or does the high channel make sense right there? That makes sense. All right. So if we're looking at Bitcoin shorter term, really, and I have a video somewhere about how to create these channels, but I think they're only for like my Patreon members. I'm not sure if everybody can actually see them. Is this oh, that's the channel. Okay, so again, this is gonna be your sub channel, right? So right now you have your huge main channels on the weekly, right? And these have been accurate for the last, I don't know, bro, since like freaking the start of the year, right? I've had these up. I'm not gonna change them because they work. Channels work 100%. If you don't know how to use them, join the Patreon, right? I show you how to use them there. Ooh, it's cold. You cannot break this you cannot break this trend here, right? What I would do now, I would actually short, right? This looks like a perfect short to the low side. Short position, I would short this because we're creating a 4-hour bear trigger. I short this easily from right here, right? I'd set my stops right there. Short this all the way down to trend. Very, very simple, right? Take the short this down to trend here, right? As soon as we hit this trend, right? As soon as we hit this trend here, or if we actually push up and break, right, the open of this candle, right? So I would probably wait 3 hours and 23 minutes, right, to take a long, right? But as of right now, oh, give me a second there. As of right now, this looks like a short, and that would be my short. I would take this down to this right here, right? I would take it down to right here. And then from right here, I would take some profit, right? But I'm looking for some sort of break on any kind of bear candle open, right? So right now, the open on this bear candle was 91,198, right? 91,198. If we break and you close like here, right? Let's say this candle, right, turns bullish and you close like this, right? What does that mean? That means that you actually closed above this open, which means that now I actually think you're headed higher, right? And if you're headed higher, right, and you end up breaking above this, that means you're going to break out super hard and you're headed to 99K. So as soon as you have any kind of bullish candle push to the upside and you break above a bear candle's open, you are no longer coming down to 89K. And I would immediately switch to longs, right? And I would ride this all the way the fuck up to $99,000. And not only that, you would see everything else push, like Ethereum, every single other coin, right? So really, right now, there's no reason for nobody right now, right? If you're just trading, right? Obviously, if you want to, you just have a long-term portfolio, you're just holding, right? You're taking this all the way down to 89K. That's it. That's all you're doing, right? As soon, right, if you actually see a 4-hour candle break above a bear open, right? So either you break above right now, because this candle is active, right? So you want to be able to break above 91.98. So now break above, you want to close. You want to close a bull candle above 91.198. As soon as that happens, right, you get the fuck out of your shorts, right? And you long this all the way to 96K, right? Not only that, but first target, right, is going to be somewhere around like 96K. Second target is going to be around 99K, right? That's really it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.